Imagine stepping outside, and within seconds, your blood starts to boil. The sky turns black, every sound disappears. Aeroplanes fall from the sky, and every living thing on Earth begins a countdown to extinction. It sounds like a movie, but according to physics, this is exactly what would happen if Earth suddenly lost its atmosphere. The scary part? The first thing that kills you isn't what most people think. Stay until the end, because the final stage turns our planet into something almost unrecognizable. Right now, Earth's atmosphere weighs over 5 quadrillion tons. It's an invisible shield surrounding the entire planet. Most people never think about it. But every breath you take, every sound you hear, every cloud in the sky exists because of it. Now imagine it's gone. Not slowly, not over millions of years. Gone instantly. The moment it disappears, you wouldn't explode. That's a myth. But you'd immediately notice something terrifying. Silence. Complete silence. Because sound can't travel through a vacuum. No birds, no traffic, no wind, no voices. Nothing. Then your body starts reacting. The air pressure around you drops to almost zero. The oxygen in your lungs becomes useless. If you try holding your breath, you could actually damage your lungs. Instead, you'd be forced to exhale. And then the clock starts ticking. You'd remain conscious for roughly 10 to 15 seconds, then blackout. A minute or two later, death. But humans aren't the only victims. Within moments, every airplane in the sky is in trouble. Commercial jets fly because of air. No atmosphere means no lift. Thousands of aircraft begin falling. Not all at once, but none of them can stay airborne. Helicopters? Gone. Paragliders? Gone. Anything relying on air simply stops working. Then there's another problem. The sun. Most people think space is cold, but Earth's atmosphere protects us from extreme temperature swings. Without it, daytime temperatures begin skyrocketing. Sunlight hits the surface directly. No protection, no filtering, just raw solar radiation. Meanwhile, places in darkness begin freezing. Fast. The difference between day and night becomes brutal. Scorching heat on one side, deadly cold on the other. And it only gets worse. You might think the oceans would save life. After all, there's plenty of water. But water depends on pressure too, and pressure just disappeared. Without atmospheric pressure, the surface of oceans begins boiling. Not because they're hot, because the boiling point drops dramatically. Imagine standing on a beach, watching entire oceans start to steam into space. It would look apocalyptic. Massive clouds of water vapor rise upward, then escape Earth's gravity over time, slowly stripping the planet of one of its most important resources. Plants die almost immediately. Photosynthesis stops. Food chains collapse. Ecosystems unravel. Everything that depends on oxygen begins running out. Life on Earth enters freefall. Ironically, some things would actually improve, at least temporarily. The sky would turn black, even during the middle of the day. Stars would become visible at noon. No haze, no blue sky, just space. Everywhere. The view would be incredible. For the few moments anyone was alive to see it. But beneath that beautiful sky, Earth would be dying. Solar radiation would bombard the surface. Without atmospheric protection, ultraviolet radiation becomes lethal. Electronics begin failing. Living tissue suffers severe damage. The planet becomes increasingly hostile. And then comes the long-term future, the part nobody talks about. Weeks pass, months pass, years pass. Earth begins looking less and less like home. Most surface water is gone or frozen. Temperatures swing violently. Dust covers abandoned cities. The oceans retreat. Life nearly vanishes. From space, Earth no longer looks blue. The vibrant planet we know becomes a barren world, more like Mars, less like Earth. And all because of something we can't even see. The atmosphere. A layer of gas so ordinary, most people never think about it. Yet every second of every day, it's the only reason complex life exists here at all.